It was always an aspiration of mine to join Workday. Now that I'm here, the staying power is really the people and the culture. The culture at Workday really allows you to be yourself, so you have the opportunities to take risks and to jump into projects, and everyone here is very supportive.
The culture in Workday is very different than anything I've experienced in any of my other jobs. Workday put their people first, so it's very unique because if you're an employee and you're really happy at what you do, you enjoy it, you get on well with your other colleagues, it's very easy to give a good service to our customers.
What's unique about our culture is that no matter what you need, you'll always find someone who can help you.
It's about people working together and having a community.
My favourite part of office is my floor, my area where I work with my team. That area is always buzzing, there are always people talking about. You could hear lots of celebrations. There's a lot of work being done as well. It feels like home there.
The rooftop garden. We've got some of the best views in Dublin all around Smithfield and across the city centre. It's a super place to go for when you are feeling like you need a break or some fresh air.
Workday management actually genuinely care about their individuals, so they care about the workers.
Workday care about people. It care about the career progression. It gives us the opportunity to work with really curious, smart people where we can improve ourselves and also Workday.
One of the things that attracted me to Workday was definitely the brand name. Workday was very well known as a great place to work here in Dublin. Since I've joined though, one of my favourite parts about Workday is that you can bring your authentic self to work.
People have autonomy to speak up, to innovate, come up with ideas and challenge others in a positive manner.
In my time in Workday, I've had different occasions where I wanted to take my career in different directions, and the company and the people around me have helped facilitate that, where I've been able to move from traditional IT kind of roles into more development focused roles.
A lot of companies have their values plastered all over their websites, all over the place. I think Workday really lives by those values.
My favourite part, honestly, is that chair over there. I come down at lunchtime and I do like a quick 10-minute meditation.
They actually valued me as an individual. So that's probably the major part of Workday that I like, is that you have the support there, so you don't want to move anywhere else. You don't even want to think about it.